Right. Also, I think we're just getting the live pictures of the seals being opened at the counting centers coming in from Patna. But is that something, Satyaprakash ji, that has rankled? I mean, you may not want to admit it publicly, but has rankled the JDU?
Okay.
That for the first time you've become the sort of junior, not junior partner, but you always are fighting more seats. This time it was 50-50. So something has changed.
In the last Lok Sabha election, we contested 50-50, 17 seat JDU and 17 seat BJP.
But Assembly, you never contested less than the BJP or the same as the BJP. You always contested more.
There are two other partners of the NDA now, and in 2010, LJP was opposed to us. It was with RJD. And in 2010, the aura of the Nitish, what Sagarika ji was saying, and the aura of Nitish now has developed more maturity of the governance. It is media interpretation that the confidence and the aura of Mr. Nitish Kumar is low compared to 2010. And JDU has created a base with the kind of development it has been doing since last 15 years, and commitment to the good governance and the honest politics and maintaining the secularism in the state. It is the three kind of achievement. No compromise with corruption, criminalization, and the communalization of politics. This is the achievement of Mr. Nitish Kumar. So he definitely will go with the fourth term. Jyoti Basu entered in the fifth term, and in between he switched the power was switched to Buddhadev Bhattacharya.
But
this was the equation of West Bengal. Let me complete.
No, but once again, sir, this we have to keep it interactive. We can't. It's too early for monologues. When you say development, I mean, how do you explain the fact, and there's so many indicators one could get into, but just off the bat, just look at the level or the extent of joblessness in Bihar. Look at all those young people. I met them. Everyone who went there met them, saying that it's been a big problem.
With a limited resource of Bihar, we have provided, 6.5 lakh government job. And the growth rate of Bihar is 11.3%. The budget is of 2 lakh crore. It was earlier only 25,000 crore. The Bihar used to, only have 700 megawatts of power. Now it is a 7,000 megawatt of power. Every village has power, energy, and, reservation for women, and the scholarship for, girl student. So these are the things which, gives a kind of image that we are committed to developing every section of the society by creating Mahadalit Ayog even to send them the benefit of development directly to their household. So, when we say Nyay ke saath
quite a lot has been done.
Development with social justice, it was his theory, and he started working on the, the model of Lohia. It was the
Okay.